Cibodas Botanical Garden is located in the Gunung Gede and Mount Pangrango Forest Complex, Cimacan Village, Cipanas, Cianjur, West Java, Indonesia. The topography of the field is bumpy and the hill with an altitude of approximately 1,300 until 1,425 meters above sea level, with an area of 84.99 hectares. Average temperature is at 20 Celsius, humidity of 80.82%, and average rainfall of 2,950 mm per year. Cibodas Botanical Garden was built on April 11, 1852. The distance of closer from Tasikmalaya to Cibodas Botanical Garden is 172 km or 6 until 7 travel hours by car, 5 until 6 hours travel by motorbike. Cibodas Botanical Garden is a comfortable place to rest while enjoying the beauty of various types of plants originally from Indonesia and other countries. Created on 11 April 1852 by Johannes Elias Tusmo, a curator of the Bogor Botanical Garden at the time, under the name Virgin T. Cibodas. One of the most important in Cibodas is the quinine tree. Then it developed into part of the Bogor Botanical Garden under the name by Balai Kebun Raya Cibodas branch. Starting in 2003, the status of Cibodas Botanical Garden became more independent as the technical implementation unit of Cibodas Botanical Garden Plant Conservation Center within the Deputy of Indonesia Institute of Sciences Biological Sciences or LIPI. Various facilities are available in the Cibodas area, ranging from a large parking lot to accommodate dozens of four-wheeled vehicles or buses. Information space equipped with Cibodas tourism documentation, children's play areas, prayer rooms, public toilets, shelter, pavilion, open-air theater, and a 3-hectare camping site that can accommodate 200 tents. In the Sakura Garden, visitors can enjoy the beauty of the famous sakura plant in Japan, although in fact the cherry plants can only live in the soil for 4 seasons. But in the Cibodas Botanical Garden, the sakura can flourish. That was caused by the location of the garden at an altitude or more than 1,400 meters above sea level. Thus, the habitat is suitable for sakura growth. Even Japan, sakura can only flower once a year, namely around April in spring there. But even this region, the tropics actually flowers twice a year. First in January until February and second in July until August. There are 7 variants of cherry plants in Cibodas Botanical Garden from around 300 varieties. Lumut Park in Cibodas Botanical Garden was built in 2004 and was inaugurated in 2006. Lumut Park is used to collect various types of mosses ranging from mosses originating from around Cibodas, various regions in Indonesia, and mosses that grows in various parts of the world. Lumut Park is the largest lumut park in Indonesia and the largest outdoor lumut park in the world, which is used as a center for development and research. Moss in this park is divided into 3 groups, namely liverworts, hornworts, and true mosses. The outdoor concept is deliberately used for the 1,500 meter garden. Lumut Park is deliberately designed as closely as possible with the original habitat of the moss collected so that the mosses are grown on the trunks, soil, rocks, and certain medium.
Some of the most popular locations in Kebun Raya Cibodas for visitors besides greenhouse is Aracauria Avenue, Cibodas Fall, Cherry Tree Blossom Garden, and most importantly, all concept of a beautiful green garden and shooting. It is good place for family vacation or community gathering. And here, Kebun Raya Cibodas also have facilities for you who want to live with nature and riding a horse, rent a tent for camping in Mandalawangi Hill Camp, Cibodas camping ground, and nature chatter. And also, if you are visit to Kebun Raya Cibodas, you can also hiking to the hills in Cibodas Hills. Another tourist attraction in Kebun Raya Cibodas is Liana Park. Liana Park is a park that was built in an area of 1,200 square. This park is filled with fern, lichen, and liana. Liana is a plant that propagates on other trees to get sunlight. However, the plant is not parasitic. Its roots that are planted in the ground. This garden accommodates all liana plants from the expedition of researchers to Java, Sumatra, and Central Sulawesi. The park has a liana corridor down to hall. Visitors can see 24 tribes, 38 habitats, 30 species, and 36 species that have not been identified from 126 existing specimens. Liana itself is actually familiar with the community even though the term itself is unknown. The type of Arcaneresia flava are known by the name of Funyur Puur, the name that given by Java people, has been used by the people of West Java to cure wounds. Kebun Raya Cibodas developed into a conservation area for mountainous plants, especially in western Indonesia. Until now, Kebun Raya Cibodas has collected as many as 11,002 specimens, mainly rare plant species as a place of conservation. Surely this tourist attraction have a greenhouse that is used to protect various types of plants. Also, because of the Kebun Raya Cibodas anniversary, there's another attraction that is Herbal Park. This park is for experiment mm, developing the herbal and make medicine by the professor. And don't forget, if you visit the conservation, we advise to wear safety clothing first so the guide might asking you for wear the glove and the mask because some of the flower may cause death and you might better not touching every plant in this area because some plants are poisonous.